Here is a wonderful 2018 Ford Escape. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. De-stress and decompress in this sleek and sporty Escape. Its quiet cabin, flexible seating and cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, satellite radio, heated front seat, backup camera, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, multi-zone AC. Feel relaxed and confident in this capable, comfortable Escape. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.